Stop. If you or someone you know works in one of these 7 jobs, you are watching the most important financial video of your life. By 2026, not 2030, but the next 24 months, AI is scheduled to eliminate $1.2 trillion in US wages, according to research conducted by MIT. This isn't about AI helping you become more efficient, this is about AI replacing entire job roles and collapsing current wage structures. The companies are already implementing these changes, and your job, or the job of someone you care about, is next. I've spent the last 6 months analyzing projections from Goldman Sachs, the Federal Reserve, and top AI firms to bring you this definitive, highly researched list. Today I'm revealing the 7 American jobs with the highest risk of complete destruction by artificial intelligence. I will show you the exact AI tools replacing these workers, and more importantly, how you can transition your skills and investments into areas that AI cannot touch, which is where the real future wealth will be created. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This information is for educational and research purposes only, designed to help you prepare for the financial shifts coming to the USA labor market. Now let's begin this crucial countdown. At number 7, we have customer service representatives and call center agents. This job is fundamentally routine, repetitive, and entirely script-based, making it the perfect target for automation. Companies like T-Mobile and Bank of America are already deploying advanced conversational AI, capable of handling over 70% of routine customer interactions. The financial incentive is too strong to ignore. An AI agent doesn't need a salary, they work 24/7 without coffee breaks, and they eliminate human error. This rapidly shrinks entry-level opportunities that once provided a critical stepping stone for young American workers. The only human jobs left in this sector will be AI system supervisors and highly specialized emotional intelligence trainers, a massive shift in required skills. Coming in at number 6, and a big one for the finance sector, are bookkeepers and entry-level accountants. Tools like QuickBooks and specialized accounting AI are not just simplifying bookkeeping, they are fully automating complex processes. Data entry, ledger reconciliation, payroll processing, and basic tax calculations are all highly procedural and routine tasks. This means junior bookkeepers and data entry clerks face imminent risk. We've already seen reports from major firms, including Goldman Sachs, indicating that AI is being utilized to cut down on the need for junior financial analysts. If your job involves looking at a spreadsheet and following a clear set of rules, it is exposed. The pivot here is essential. You must transition to specialized areas like forensic accounting or complex financial strategy, roles that require deep human judgment and ethical reasoning. At number 5, we see a huge hit to the creative economy: copywriters and entry-level content creators. Generative AI models are now capable of producing thousands of SEO-optimized articles, product descriptions, social media captions, and email campaigns in seconds, for literally pennies on the dollar. Why would a company pay a writer $50,000 a year when a tool does the basic work instantly, requiring only a simple review? The only writers who will remain safe are expert-level content strategists and those with high personal and professional authority. For those affected, the path forward is to become an AI prompt engineer, learning how to instruct the AI, or focusing entirely on niche, deep-dive investigative research that current models cannot easily aggregate. Next, at number 4, is a foundational blue-collar job employing millions across the country: truck drivers and long-haul logistics personnel. Companies like Waymo, Aurora, and Tesla are aggressively testing and rolling out autonomous long-haul trucking fleets. The economics are undeniable. An AI-driven truck works non-stop, never needs to sleep, and eliminates human error caused by fatigue. The job of the American trucker, particularly on long-distance routes, is at severe risk, a change that will ripple through the entire US supply chain and economy. While local delivery and last-mile logistics may have a longer grace period, the fundamental need for human drivers on major highways is quickly fading. Our list continues at number 3 with assembly line operators and quality inspectors. While manufacturing has always been vulnerable to automation, AI takes it to a new level. Advanced robotic arms and sophisticated AI-powered vision systems are replacing human hands and eyes for repetitive tasks like assembling components and conducting quality control inspections. Amazon warehouses are rapidly increasing the automation of their picking, packing, and sorting processes. The job title is shifting from a hands-on operator to a highly specialized robot technician, a role that requires different, more technical training. Moving into the professional ranks at number 2, we find paralegals and junior legal associates. Yes, even the legal field is facing massive disruption. AI tools are now capable of reviewing thousands of legal documents, contracts, and case precedents in minutes with near-perfect accuracy. This drastically cuts out the need for junior staff and paralegals who historically spend the majority of their time on this document review. The traditional entry ramp into the US legal system is shrinking fast. The pivot for legal professionals must be toward high-stakes litigation, trial advocacy, and client negotiation, the skills that require human persuasion, charisma, and emotional context that machines cannot replicate. And finally, the number one job at high risk of destruction by AI by 2026, the one that shocks the most people, especially white-collar professionals, is the market research analyst. These professionals are paid handsome salaries to look at data, analyze trends, and predict consumer behavior. However, AI is exponentially better at this core task. AI can analyze vast unstructured datasets, find non-obvious correlations, and build superior predictive models far faster than any human team. If your primary function involves creating a report based on a spreadsheet analysis, AI will soon do it faster and more accurately. So what is the financial and career solution? You must immediately invest your time and resources into AI-proof skills and simultaneously invest your capital into the companies building the AI future. Here are the 3 most critical skills you need to develop by 2026 to secure a high-paying future in the US labor market. First, cultivate deep empathy and human care. Any job that requires genuine human connection, like specialized nurse practitioners, physical therapists, or mental health counselors, is booming, because machines cannot offer genuine individualized care and comfort. Second, focus on complex system integration. The highest paid jobs will not be about creating AI, but about integrating it into existing business environments. Roles like AI system integrators, highly specialized IT architects, and advanced prompt engineers will command enormous salaries. Third, master sales and influence. Persuasion is a deeply human art. High-level B2B sales, elite negotiation, public relations, and political advocacy will always require human interaction and the ability to read non-verbal cues. Beyond skill development, don't fear AI, invest in it. Look at the companies that are providing the foundational technology, like Nvidia, Microsoft, and Google. The providers of the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush are the true long-term investment opportunities. Now tell me in the comments below, which of these 7 jobs are you currently in and what is your plan to AI-proof your income? Your answer helps everyone in this community prepare for the future. And if you found this highly researched data useful, smash that like button and subscribe. You absolutely do not want to miss my next video.